Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about symbolism, right? Without wasting the time, let's move on and discuss it. But if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like to the video and subscription to the channel. Well, let's move on and explain it. What is symbolism? Basically, symbolism is a literary device that refers to the use of symbols in a literary work. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a symbol is something that stands for something else. Basically, in literature, a symbol can be a word, an object, etc., which represents something else than just a word or an object. I think still you are not getting the point. In other words, symbolism refers to the use of symbols to represent abstract ideas or concepts. For understanding, take the example of traffic lights. You must have seen them on the road, such as red, yellow, and green. Red color signals the driver to stop the vehicle. Yellow light signals the driver to be ready to, and green light signals the driver to go. So you can say these are just lights, but they represent something else, or they stand for something else. So same is the case in English literature. There are objects, words, etc. which stand for something else. You can take the example from the novel Lord of the Flies by William Golding. In this novel, the conch shell represents civilization and order. Though it is just an object, but it represents something else. So this is symbolism. You can take another example from the poem of Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. In this poem, the road represents the choices we made in life. So it is a symbol of representing an idea. So this is symbolism. This question must be in your mind, that why writers use symbolism. So the answer is their part they use it because symbolism allows them to convey complex and difficult ideas and themes easily. Well guys, if you have enjoyed this short video, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel.